It's all of the beat.
We put our flags on it, treat us like the mob. You put your flag on it, calling you a fob. They talking shit from the back seat. In my 90 voice, don't take your eyes and pass me. Got my flag on right now. See I'm round town with my flag right now. Yeah, I got my flag right now. And I'm probably in your town with my flag right now. All my Caribbeans do it for us. No elevator, I'm stepping it up. She know I'm explicit like music that cuss. Think that I'm rupee, I'm tough to the touch. Sipping on Remy, I'm all the way up. While my Caribbeans holding me down. All the real niggas is showing respect. All pretty gal, I'm a wine to go down. I was writing when football was fashion. I think that I'm bourgeois, I walk like a champion. I'm talking that shit cause I'm making it happen. And they fucking with it, that's law of attraction. Now I got my braids on, thinking that I'm Jean Paul. Cause I got a little shawty stuck like glue. Oh, you know I bust and move. Take it to the hand like Baki soon. We put our flags on it, treat us like the mob. You put your flag on it, calling you a fob. They talking shit from the back seat. In my 90 voice, don't take your eyes and pass me. Got my flag on right now. See I'm round town with my flag right now. Yeah, I got my flag right now. And I'm probably in your town with my flag right now. Curve the bear, I ain't tryna cuff her. Told her sorry like Shelly Thunder. I ain't tryna fight, I ain't half pint. I'm good with being the sub.